Good day. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most concerning issue in our society. The topic of the speech is positive and negative effect of social media to students. Although social media sites are frequently criticized for their detrimental effects, when used properly, they can have a lot of positive effects on students. The prudent use of social media can clearly enhance learning, promote collaboration, and increase access to educational resources, all of which will ultimately support students' academic and personal development, notwithstanding worries about distraction and addiction. This speech will make the case that using social media responsibly has more benefits than disadvantage, promoting learning outcomes, students' general well-being in the process. Improve information access and learning. Students now have unprecedented access to a variety of learning resources and information from social media platforms. Platforms like Google, Messenger, Facebook, and other platforms. A prominent study by Tus et al., social media usage and its impact on the Filipino learners' academic performance admits that online education concluded that social media usage positively affect the student academic performance. Also, using platforms like Messenger, Google Chat are used by educational institutions and individual teachers to share announcements, course materials, and additional learning resources. This illustrates the beneficial relationship between enhanced student engagement and learning outcomes and the use of social media for educational purposes. Social media, addictive qualities and capacities for distraction. According to critics, serious impair indicate a negative relationship between academic success and excessive use of social media. According to the National Library Medicine, addiction to social media among younger people is a serious issue. However, lessen the potential advantage of using social media is responsible manner, mindful engagement, and application techniques for screen time management and academic task prioritizations are crucial. Time management, strategies, website blockers, and other tools can be used by both teachers and students to minimize any potential negative effects while maximizing the positive aspects of this. In conclusion, despite valid concern about its potential drawbacks, social media has undeniable benefits for student learning when used appropriately. The increase of availability of information, enhanced teamwork, opportunities, and rich learning experiences provided by social media platforms significantly improve student academic performance and personal growth by encouraging digital literacy